Hello, it's me, Pogu, and today we are celebrating our My House is Haunted. Hey, is the music fine? Is it good? My house is haunted. Yeah, we're kind of celebrating it. I think we already celebrated on Friday, but I just want this one is just extended. And once again, this is Pogu des. And today, I'm not really sure what we're gonna do to celebrate. I guess we're just gonna chill and relax. Talk about life. There's something I wanna watch. Let's actually watch this. EC and PC, I tried to create dead cells. Oh, looks interesting.
In this video, you'll find out if just a guy like me can make a dead cells, what you can do with 3 months.
Wait, is he also doing a 3-month challenge? Oh, it's pretty nice. Referencing game from Dead Cells looks actually good. Number one is for experience, and number two is for polishing your skills. So yeah, I'm up for it. I like his idea.
Experience and how I made my own presentation party. My name is
Oh, that's actually good. Yeah, like I said, experience and then yeah,
Alex.
polishing.
I'm making games and I'm posting videos about it. Subscribe if you didn't, and without
further interruption, let's
All right, I'm gonna subscribe.
celebrate and suck some
dead cells is not an
Wait, what? Sucks what? Damn.
easy game to make, especially with 3 months experience. But
I haven't played Dead Cells, but let's actually see it on Steam. To Dead. Oh yeah, for those who don't know, my house is haunted is live now on Steam. So if anyone wanna buy my game, please do, and don't forget to leave a review. Thank you. That much will be appreciated. Thank you. Thank you. Let's see. Oh yeah, Dead Cell. Dead Cells. Oh, $30, man. It's very expensive. Yeah, it's pretty good. So this is what they called a platformer, right? Action roguelike, soul like, and then 2D. Let's actually see the tags for this. Adventure, action roguelike, soul like, replay value, hack and slash. Yeah. So is this a platformer? Oh yeah, it is a platformer. I just missed it. So yeah, it's pretty good. This is a good game. How many reviews? Oh my god, look at these. Overwhelming positive. It's almost 10K. Anyway.
nobody was talking about making dead cells in the first place. With numbers of skills we had, it was barely enough to make a duh. And I'm not even talking about dead cells. Besides, we had 3 months deadline, and that was for 2 reasons. We want to know what we are capable of in 3 months, and you need a deadline if you don't want to work on your projects.
Well, I made my game. My house is haunted. I made that game for like 3 months as well. Well, to be exact, it is 78 days. Around there ish. And then actually let's watch my let's watch my videos here. Launch day, and then there's so many shit. Actually, let's watch the 70. No, no, it's more than 78 days. Eh. Uh, yeah, it's more than 78 days that we made the My House is Haunted, and I think it started on oh Pogu Dance. Let's create game. Oh, planning stage. Oh, I think this one. Thank you. And today it's time to make indie game. Not to make, but to plan what game
Look at that.
we're gonna make. Okay. First person. Is it first person? So yeah. Okay. That was 2 months ago. Like 2 months. Yeah, almost 2 months. 2 months and a half. I would say 2 months and a half. Let's highlight this. This and then and then we're like okay, let's move. Brainstorming the game that we're making, right? Second idea. And Iju in here suggest horror, so I was like, oh, why not? Third person and first. Okay. And then we're kind of referencing the game here. And then oh, indie innovation. What's this? Okay, never mind. It's not. You're gonna pick your player. Yeah, I think that's much is the planning phase. I can't believe we took like 1 hour to plan. And then we're just searching for the assets, right? There you go. Cool. And then we're gonna make a fog, so you could barely see anything. Because this is a horror game, gonna make it like a dark. The sunlight, not sure. Probably gonna make like a really. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, it's been 2 months and a half or something that we made that game, and yeah, right now we're celebrating it. I don't know how to celebrate. Like, what are we gonna do? Something like that. I think, let's play some music. Oh, escape room. I wanna watch that. I don't think I'm allowed to do that. Shouldn't probably do that. Too bad. Hito no mi. What kind of music are we gonna play? Oh, yeah, what?
Slow and forever. So what is done in 3 months will be entire game. We knew how to work with side-scrolling games because we made this one as our first project.
Okay. Here already have the first
I'll
part.
leave link to that in the description. We wanted to make 1 hour gameplay, and because we are not a storytellers, it's clear we need a replayable game loop. And it should be logical, without any explanation. So I guess yeah, we're making Dead Cells.
Hey.
The key, if you want to be a next winner, just leave any comment. Hero cyborg with multiple skills, well-designed RPG system, polished environment with the backgrounds. But we have this. No, it will get better, you just stay with me. Let's see the original plan for this game. We want to have at least 1 hour of gameplay, around 5 skills for player, 5 to 6 enemies, 4
1 hour gameplay, 5 to 6 skills, 5
bosses,
to 6
4 locations,
enemies,
story,
4 bosses and 4 locations.
and it should be
Legend, Denisha, Dairy.
I should tell you I was not
I think that's gonna think that's a lot of features, but I think he has so much experience, so I don't think.
Working alone, my
Really
friend does the
matters.
graphics, I work in Unity, and everything else we decide together. Now let's analyze Dead Cells a bit. It has lots of weapons in it, and our guy doesn't need any, but he can use different skills. It means I need to build a system that allows
This is Geno, right? From
to
Saitama.
expand the character without
From Saitama. From One Punch Man, yeah.
hurting those parts that already exist. And even then, 2 years ago, I understood that if I make everything in one player controller, it can get messy real quick. The best choice I found at that time to use finite state machine, and I didn't know how to use it, but
Yeah, you can search it on YouTube. There's a lot of tutorials.
as a beginner, I knew how to search for stuff, and this
Yeah, state machine is really good for combat system. They're checking what it does is gonna check your current state of the player, and depending on which state the player have, and then there's a possibility of gonna be like a combo attack, something like that. So yeah, depending on which state current has, because sometimes you are in a state of status effect or possibly stun effect, and then you wanna move, right, and then you cannot move while on that state. So it really useful.
man explains everything so deeply that even your ex would be jealous. It allows you to reuse the code for
Damn, look at this. Look at this. What do you say? Flow something? I don't know. Let's see. Grounded. Okay, yeah. This is the state grounded. And then touching walls.
player, enemies, and what is most important, it is expandable. So, it means I can add new skills whenever I want to, and it won't
Yes,
break
time.
anything in the code.
Time.
Although it took me lots of time to learn, payback was better than I expected, because with this system adding new skills of any type was just a piece of cake. Now let's talk about the enemies. This is a cyberpunk setting, and my friend didn't want to make just another SWAT soldier, so we had to think of something creative.
Pinterest. It's always go if you have some idea or concept and you need some references, Pinterest is always a go-to. It gives you a lot of arts or concept, and then you can make that as a reference and put them all together, and yeah, you're probably gonna make a really good reference.
Searching
concept
through
for your art.
Pinterest and throwing
Concept for your art, yeah.
some sketches, I came up with this one. And this is not the enemy. This is the one
Oh, actually, he can draw. That's a really good skills to have. I couldn't draw. I tried to drawing, but I think I need like time for practice. I kind of regret that I didn't draw from when I was a kid. So yeah, I don't have time to practice my drawing. I'm just gonna practice my coding. Sup, boys? Kermin, sup? What's up? What's up?
one.
The
Poor
prog?
guy just controlled by a robot. Then every game like this needs a shooting enemy, and again it appears we are all about creativity here, so we decided to make this dog-like machine that shoots from the tail.
Oh, Asprite. That's a really good tool. I also have Asprite. As you can see, where is it? There you go. I have it. I don't have it installed. Should probably install it. Yeah, it's a really good tool to have. Hey,
Turned
you're
out
looking
cool,
at
I think.
videos?
Now watch this. Next one will be interesting.
Yeah.
At that time my friend did his first steps in 3D and he thought of something. You know that in Dead Cells all of the models are made and animated in 3D, and after that they turn graphic into pixelated art. So we did
Pixelated.
kinda the same. And this guy's supposed to spread bullets like a bouncing Betty. I tried different iterations of that, had some fun with it, and chose this one. What we had after 2 months of work looked good, but nothing like nearly finished game. Let's see the checklist again. 1 hour gameplay is so under question. We have 4 skills for player with the basic set of movements. We got 3 different
Actually, I'm kind of surprised that he made the combat for within 7 days. Well, I guess if you don't have a full-time job, you can do that. But if you have a full-time job and lots of responsibility, I don't think you'll be able to squish all that features in 7 days. We'll see.
enemies. We got zombie who attacks in melee. We got this cute puppy who can shoot. And this perfect example of lazy game design.
Lazy game design. I kind of agree. Uh, I wouldn't say lazy, but yeah, I don't wanna make excuses. I also do that.
One boss, I'm gonna tell you about him in a minute, and somewhat location. I guess my original plan was, can we say optimistic? But still, we did a lot.
Oh, look at that animation. This animator controller, and lots of that is based on what animation you will play. And each line here is a condition that if a certain condition met, you will play this animation. And to do that for a lots of animation will be a nightmare for the game developer and for the designer or for the artist. There's a good way to do this without doing this, but it will requires a lot of knowledge in coding. So I would say stick to this one if you're a beginner, and I think just stick with this one even if you're not beginner or intermediate or advanced. Just stick with this one. So much easy, but it's gonna be a nightmare if you have for example, hundreds of animations. As you can see, we have like possibly 5, 10, 15, 20, probably 20 animation here. But it could be more, right? Yeah, imagine hundreds of animations.
Me from the past barely knows what he doing was happy and proud. Now about the boss. My friend gave me
I wonder where does he get the animation for his pixel?
artwork and some ideas of what he
Wait.
proud. Now about the boss. My friend gave me artwork and some ideas.
Okay, his friend can do art. He's lucky. I usually hire someone to do my art. Feels bad.
Of what he should do, but still I had questions like what are his skills, what about the damage, cooldowns, difficulty of the boss in general. I decided it will be known once we have a test build, so let's take it step by step.
Test build makes me think. Is he talking about test driven something? Let's continue.
Made him fly to random points and choose one of the stages between those movements. First stage is just a long shot, second stage is kind of a beam laser that pushes you back and gives you tremendous damage. There is another one, which I called Rocket Rain, and oh boy I had struggles with this one. In the end I just made it as simple as it can be. Rocket goes up with a certain angle and physics will handle the rest. There is another stage which reminds me of something, and I
actually made a game yesterday within 1 hour. It's just a rocket launcher. And the only thing it does is there's a booster. It goes up, right? And then you can control whether you're gonna turn left or right. Man, the physics on 2D is kind of junky. I don't know how to polish it, so I was just like, more than 1 hour. Yeah, I'm done. Maybe after this video, I'm gonna try to make a new game within 1 hour again, and then see what we can do.
cannot hold myself to show you what I mean. Look at this. This is the one, right? There is no way you don't see it. This is the
The fuck this guy? Oh my god, he nailed it. A bankai. Let's try it one more time. This guy.
This is the one,
I'm
right?
gonna give him a like. Okay.
There is no way you don't see it. This is the
挽回千本桜影石
It was challenging and I had fun making it. I made these bullets go up and then follow the player, and at this stage all you can do is just avoid them. Felt cool. Let me know in the comments where you would take inspiration for different features in the game. We didn't want this game to be too easy, so we increased difficulty and we made this shop with the upgrades. So our game has all
Okay, there was an upgrade here.
of that RPG elements.
Yeah, he definitely has a lot of experience in game development. Well, I'm just starting, so it's impossible for me to make a game within 7 days. With this kind of polish and game design and whatnot, yeah, it's pretty good. I wonder what he does for a living. So far, he has 6 videos. Wait, let's talk design first. Oh, and that's kind of interesting for me. Course introduction. Yeah. Alex Deb. Oh, I joined 2013. But he just hi, thank you for coming to my channel. I'm Alex and I've been playing games since I was 6 and now I'm 27 and I finally found my passion. Oh, same here, bro. Not only to play games but to make them. Here I want to share what I created and to show what I learned so others can share my passion with me. I will post dev blogs and game dev tutorials. Subscribe and let's see what's coming up. Easy course? Dang. Support me Patreon? Dang. What do you have in? So I will buy a coffee and thank you. The source files for all my tutorials, your name in my special box. At the end of videos, oh, it's kind of interesting. Source file for his tutorial and includes Discord benefits. Oh, ちょっと待って. He has Udemy course? Wait, he has Udemy course? Where is it? Oh, is this one? Let's learn to make 2D platformer game for PC, Android, iOS.
Do you want to make your very own unique 2D platformer? Most widely used engine in the industry. AI with 9D and it will work on any platform. Of course, I'll show you how to polish your game and
That's good, bro.
that big
Yeah,
boys
he
dream about.
definitely has a lot of experience because I mean, he has a course and he has Patreon. Yeah, that's well done. Very
You
well
can
done.
purchase skills and they will disappear on your next run, but stat update will be saved between sessions. So if you cannot beat the boss, you can just farm for a bit and have an easy victory. I had a plan of making skill
Oh, that's good.
upgrades with a skill tree, but after 3 months of development I was so tired of this game, so it just didn't happen. And yes, what you see on
Yeah, that's definitely a thing for game developer. I'm glad I actually escaped on that hell. Well, usually what the game developer do is that you start the project and then you work on your project and then sometimes the project gets too big that it gets too big that you cannot really it's all mess up, spaghetti code, something like that, and you're just gonna feel that probably you're just gonna start on my new project again, and then just gonna leave that project behind. I think they call it a zombie project because you'll never get back when you're it's it's basically like it's dead, but it's undead.
On your screen is a switch in between gamepad and keyboard. Sometimes you just want to make stuff because it's cool. Before we jump to conclusion, let me tell you about unique health system that I came up with. So what you see in the left corner is an energy shield, and these three elements is a kind of a last chance HP. No matter amount of damage you take, you lose.
Kind of interesting. I use HP on my house is haunted game that I made, and I have this called health manager. Now I can understand that when you're using scriptable object on, it's not good to use scriptable object on Unity. I mean on health. Number one, there could be a multiple instance of enemies. Using scriptable object on that one is not good. Number two, it's good for player health, but it's only for one specific use. For those who don't know, scriptable object is a thing for Unity. It persists, it saves the data on the disk and persists through all your gameplay and through all your scenes. So it's like a save data. That's like a data, yeah, just a data saves on your disk.
1 point. You can always restore a shield, but not an HP. And I guess this is the reason I couldn't beat my own creation. You bastard! As I said, I was tired of making this game, and I decided there is no better way to finish the game than setting a release date. So I called my friends to check it out. Honestly, it felt cool, like I'm doing something with my life. We had them seated in front of TV, we did presentation, talking about the game, how difficult it was to make, and did some explanation of game development process. Then everybody enjoyed the party and everyone tried to play the game one by one. As a conclusion, I want to say it was—
And that's nice. You got a lot of group of people here to play his game. That's actually nice.
was fun to make. My friends did like it, although I think they were just very supportive. I learned a lot, but
Yeah, they are very supportive. I can't believe you have that much friends here that can support your thing here.
guess this was the first time I realized I'm not good for big projects. Because I was so tired of this game,
Yeah, man, I can feel that. Like when I work on my game, my first game, I was so tired. I every day you just lose motivation, to be honest. To keep you sane, you just need some. You just need, I just watch YouTube. Shout out to Thomas Brush. I watch him a lot, and just makes me motivate to work on my game. And also, I read the book hashtag Best Me Ever by Mike Salis. He wrote about it. It's just a book about quotes, motivational stuff, and also for the book called The Four Agreements by Don Miguel Ruiz. It's about stoicism, something like that. Yeah, it's pretty good.
I nearly hated it. And there was some other stuff to do, to improve in this game, but right after our presentation party I forgot about it immediately. Looking at this experience now with the 2 years past, I think we did good enough. I remember myself
Wait. Can we go back?
at this experience now with the 2 years past, I think after our
Okay, he has 2 years experience. He's way definitely better than me. But But man, that's pretty good. Actually, he's way too better than me.
Presentation party, I forgot about it immediately. Looking at this experience now with the 2 years past, I think we did good enough. I remember myself thinking I would never be able to create a video game, and here it is. Go and try to beat it. It's hard. And something I want to say to you, my viewer, I'm really
Like, there's something lacking on the enemies. It's like, it's not engaging enough. Something wrong with the enemy.
really grateful to you for watching this video till this moment. Please leave a comment below, it really helps to grow the channel. Together with you guys, I jumped from 140 subs up to 270, and it feels like it's happening with someone else but not with me. Check out the course if you want to make your own video game, join the community.
That's good, man. I want to learn your secret. Good job. I'm gonna comment. Good job. So, yeah. Easy and PC. Yeah.
In this video you'll find out how you can change design of my game with your ideas, how you can make a game like a Dark Souls,
Damn,
and what will be the direction of this channel. As I promised, I'm giving away keys for my latest course. If you want to be a next
yeah,
winner, just leave
I forgot. I forgot to do the promo on Twitter about the keys. Dang. Alright, I'm just gonna make a tweet here. Raffle promo. 25 keys give away. Just requirements. Requirements number 1, like and retweet. Twenty-five promo. 25 redeem key code giveaway on Steam, and then insert the thing here. Requirements: like and retweet. Please open your DM and I'll message and I'll give you the key once if you win. Due date. Our due date is November 4th. November 4th. November 4th, 2022. PS. And then hashtag VTuber. Hashtag VTuber. Uprising. BH. VTuber. VTubers. Gaming. Indie game. Indie gaming. Ah, there you go. Gosh. Yep. Let's redo it. Nice. Kind of forgot about that. Anyway.
Leave any comments under this video and be sure I'll choose couple of them. My name is Alex, I'm making games and I'm posting videos about it. Subscribe if you didn't. And before we begin, I want to give you a sneak peek on a project we're making on the side. It will be a top-down survival with a procedural generation, but graphics are not ready yet. My man Stas doing great job, but it takes time. So while
Procedural thing. I haven't done any procedural thing. Must be really good.
he's busy with that, let's make this cool game together. When I say together, I mean people who write comments below. In fact, this game alone was born from a single comment, and I really like that
Actually, I wanna try to. Do you know Black Thord channel? They have like a no communication. The no communication video that they make a game without communicating each other. So once the player done, they're gonna pass it to the other game developer and then make the game without any totally communication. It sounds fun and I kind of wanted to participate on that one.
engagement between us. So now let's analyze together what direction are we going to, and then you can give me your ideas and feedback on how we should proceed with this game.
I wonder. I actually want to try that. Like the double jump on the wall.
We need the reference,
Maybe at some point.
and what we're making here looks a lot like Hollow Knight, Dead Cells, Blade Assault and Moonscars. I
Hollow Knight. Nice.
honestly never played Hollow Knight, so that goes away. Dead Cells is good, but I don't have as many weapons with different animations, so that goes away as well. I think Moonscars suits the best because it doesn't have lots of animations and yet combat is good and engaging. Characters are somewhat similar, and what's most important, people actually requested a Souls-like game. We can take
Souls-like game is Dark Souls really special. They made their own genre.
weapon system from Blade Assault, but we'll talk about that later. For now, let's talk about hook of the game. What will make it so special?
It's always, yeah. This is always the thing. When you're making a game, the first thing you're gonna do is hook. I think hook and player experience are together the same. I think. Don't quote me on
Sure,
that. But
we can make
wait, I actually want to watch this. To be honest, let's.
Picture for you. Get it? Ooh.
Okay.
enemies level.
It's not allowed. It's not allowed. I'm gonna get cancelled if I keep watching that. Yeah, because it's live. You know, YouTube's algorithms kinda. Oh, you watching live? No. I don't know.
And souls counter, but we need a hook, something engaging and interesting to make. And I thought of something. What if this girl won't be just a knight, but also a mage with time controlling abilities?
Wait. Can we start again?
And souls counter. Let's talk about hook of the game. What will make it so special? Sure, we can make enemies, levels and souls counter.
Levels and souls counter. Is that a hook? I think nowadays that's not a hook anymore. Like it's pretty standard in the game industry to have a levels and currency. So I don't think that's not a hook.
But we need a hook, something engaging and interesting to make. And I thought
Engaging and interesting to make. Fair enough.
of something. What if this girl won't be just a knight, but also a mage with time controlling abilities? Bullet time, rewind, slow
Alright, that's pretty interesting.
motion, whatever comes to your mind. I even tested if I can stop time for a certain enemy, and original reaction was priceless. My head just exploded with ideas of what we can do with this. And this, my dear friend, where you step in. Give me your ideas on time shifting abilities or any other abilities for this character. Let's see if we can fit
Oh, it's actually pretty nice. Is he using a command here? Like he store every action that he made and then undo it. Ah, interesting.
them in the game. Also, I wanna show you changes I did to this project, and if you like the video, please press the like button below, it really helps to grow the channel. So, I was busy reworking my first course, currently making it more efficient and easier to understand, but still I found some time to work on this game. I switched from one script to state machine. To explain briefly, it
State machine.
makes it more scalable. Usually, and especially if you are new in
How many code is that? 200,
usually and especially
300 players, particle system inside the player. Okay, game object, sword inside the player. Okay, sword repub inside the player. Okay. I think this is just a test, right?
if you're new in
Doesn't
Unity,
matter,
you're
it's
making
just
player
a-
controller with one script, and that is completely fine, you can make it work perfectly. But if you need to extend it into something bigger with combo attacks and skills, it may be a trouble. So new system is scalable and it's easy to understand. I also want to share a few bug fixes. First, this sword prediction wasn't precise, and I fixed that. Second, rotation wasn't always right, so I fixed that as well. And that's it. I'm sorry. No, I really did a lot of work here, I swear. It may look the same, but with the state machine inside out, it is different. Also, I changed cost effect, and now I cannot choose between two options. Let me know what's better, option A or option B, and make sure to give me your ideas on the game design, and especially skill mechanics. You can do that in the comments below. Thank you for watching video till this moment. Check out the courses if you want to make your own video game, join the community by subscribing to the channel, and remember, we don't play games, we make them.
It's a pretty good quote. We don't play games, we make them. Nice.
We'll do ritual. It's still on cooldown, so I guess we can't bring her.
It's pretty good. Didn't wanna let you go. Actually, let's make a system here. Let's create new project. One shit. Polar Infinity. Let's make this a health system. We're gonna apply the thing I learned from my previous project, and also there's things that I wanna try. It's called different approach. It's called test driven TDD driven development. Test driven development. So basically, you develop your system while testing it, making it more like failure or something. Test-driven development refers to a style of programming, which three activities are tightly interwoven: coding, testing in the form of writing unit test, and design in the form of refactoring. TDD. So yeah. Well, we will actually try that. while we are waiting for the Unity to make our project, let's failing to release my dream world RPG.
After 2 years of development, we had just 2 weeks left before finishing our dream project. Well, those 2 weeks have now changed into I am not 100% sure yet.
Damn, bro, that's tough. What happened?
You see, in my last video, I explained that we were basically done the game. We had a few
Yeah, I actually watched this video, and I thought, oh, it's very nice game, very nice cover art, especially the cover art is so good. Wonder what happened.
bugs to fix and a couple weeks left to market the game before we released it on Steam. I've been making these videos in real time, and I've been giving you my raw game development journey. But a few days after I released my last video on finishing my game, we got word back from our publishers. The game needs work, and if we release...
Damn, that's tough. Well, at least he has publisher, I guess. Freedom Games. It's actually research Freedom. Freedom Games. Freedom.gg. Huh. They made the... I don't know their games, to be honest. Oh, Symphony of War, I know this. I actually brought it and then refound it. Sumimasen. I think there's only one game that I know from them. But it looks good. Looks neat.
Release it now, we might be in for a rocky launch. Yeah, so the Polish team got back to us and...
Oh, someone already liked our tweet. And someone already retweet our tweet. Well, I said like and retweet, not or. If only like, that's gonna be false. So it should be like and retweet to make it true.
And they had a lot more feedback than we expected. And after not hearing back pretty much anything from the bug report, I decided to take matters into my own hands and test the game out for myself. The game was riddled with bugs and crashes of some errors we swore we had already fixed, and some errors that were entirely new and have snuck their...
Damn, bro, that's tough. Yeah, I know how it feels to have that kind of lots of bug. One thing that I wanna, oh yeah, there's a upcoming game jam that I'm gonna make next month, starting on November 1. So I think that's gonna be in Tuesday. One thing I wanna focus, one of the thing that I wanna focus on, or my goal for that game jam, is to polish my skill using the test-driven development. Like I said, test-driven development is you make your code, test, and refactoring at the same time. More like it's one of the thing that it avoids, like this bug. But you cannot avoid bug totally, because in Unity you can only test in editor. I mean, you can test in play mode, but it requires a lot of shit and it's not efficient.
way in from different aspects of the game being built out. Giving ourselves 3 weeks to bug fix an entire game was definitely way too ambitious.
Yeah.
And to be honest,
Yeah, it's way too ambitious. I kind of feel bad for him because that's tough. Yeah, especially this is RPG, open world RPG. And there's a lot of system going on inside of that game, and it's gonna be tough if you don't have a automation, test automation. I wonder if he has a test automation here.
releasing a buggy mess is a hell of a lot worse than delaying a perfect launch. With all this in mind, I took a moment
That's true. I will be so depressed if you
to breathe and told myself something I want you to really soak in if you are finding yourself in a similar situation on falling short of other people's or even your own.
Yeah, the best thing to do is walk outside and think about think about your process of thought or something like that. Just stay away from your computer and feel the nature. I think that one will help. So, oh, wait, what's wrong with YouTube? Hey, Nani, what's wrong with YouTube? YouTube kun. Okay, good. Where are we?
Expectations. No journey is perfect. Hell, no journey will ever end up the way that you perceived it in your head. When we plan out an idea, it is impossible to truly accommodate every force of the external world. We can
Yeah, I agree, but you can how do you call it? Negotiate. You can shrink that by making a test-driven development. So you catch the bug really quickly if something went wrong. That's that's what I learned from my previous game, which is My House is Haunted. It's on Steam. Please, guy, wish list it if you don't wanna buy it. Helps a lot to me.
We can say all we want in the moment on how long a task might take or how it will get done, but in reality, how many times does life actually go the way we expect it to? Not very often. Our job is to minimize these roadblocks as much as we can, but to realize the potential for error or
One thing about fixing bugs is sometimes when you fix bug, it reintroduces another bug. It's an infinite thing. That's why having a test unit or test driven something automatically test your code or function really helps a lot in development.
miscalculations at any point in time. I fell short of releasing my game on time. I should have waited to put out that finished game devlog after the game was 100% completed. But in reality, I'm human too, and I make mistakes.
Yeah, do be like that sometimes. I mean, I don't blame him. Yeah, sometimes you get too excited, and you need that kind of motivation to keep you sane. Yeah, I kind of understand why make a video about oh, my game is done, and then later on you actually find that there's a lot of bugs going on. I bet there's a lot of bugs going on in my game right now. Yeah, there's a lot of bugs on my game right now, but I don't know. Um, nobody plays it. Nobody play it. There's only one review, and that's my friend. Yeah. Anyway,
get overly eager to share my progress with the people that I know care about my journey. I made this video to have a conversation. I made this video to show the world where I failed and how I plan to overcome it in using this time as an advantage to release a better final product.
Okay, I would like to know what's his solution for that. Please show it.
The reason I said at the beginning of the video that we don't have an exact deadline is not because I want to waste your time and drag out this game to never be completed, but I am done creating false promises and stressing about an unpredictable.
One thing about the game development is that if you promise a time that, for example, oh, I'm gonna finish this project within 3 months, it will never happen. It will never fucking happen. Your estimation is always wrong. Usually happen in everything in development in any category. Not only in game but also in app, web app. Your estimation is always wrong. That's why you're gonna have like this is my estimation, but it's only estimation. But you're gonna have like 30 more percent of your estimation. For example, I'm gonna finish this game within 5 months, and then you're gonna add like probably 2 months within 5 months, so that you have a space. You know what I mean? A space that if you mess up something, because you always mess up something in development, if you mess up something, you have a leeway time to fix it or to polish it.
Predictable due date. I want to create the best experience for our players we can, and so for that reason, I will be marking Monster Tribe's release back as to be determined. Until
to be determined. That's a good choice. To be determined. I don't think you're gonna finish it in this year. Today is October. When? Oh, it's 2 months ago. This video is 2 months ago. I don't think you released it yet. Anyway, let's actually take a look on the Monster Tribe on Steam. Is it released? Did you release it? Monster Tribe. Oh, not yet. Bro, you're... Oh yeah, 2023. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. Monster Tribe. Bro. Should probably... I know, this is just my opinion, but I think you could do better on this one. You have a good art, capsule art, but... Yeah. There's no background. Should I say there's no background on your Monster Tribe? Yeah, there's no background. Bro, come on, man. Anyway.
Further notice. I am deeply sorry for missing this deadline, but from all the amazing people supporting us along this journey, I think it is safe to assume that you guys will understand why I'm delaying and how important this launch actually is to us. Thank you so much for following me along on this hectic journey.
Alright,
I hope to see you in the next video where we start to look at the new accomplishments we're doing moving forward and see where the project is headed.
Understandable. as a game developer. As a game developer. Uh, as a game developer, I totally understand. Arsan, what you been going through. I hope that everything went well for you. Nice, comment. Okay. All right. I think our project is. Oh, it's over here. Okay. Yosh. What we're gonna do here is, like I said, we're gonna try the test-driven development style of coding, programming. First things first, I'm gonna install my library. Just gonna install my soap. I brought this in Unity store. It's pretty good. I like it. But this one, I only gonna recommend this scriptable object architecture pattern on small project. I don't recommend this on big project because it's gonna be hell. You're gonna have like probably 500 of scriptable object, and organizing that shit is hell. Alright, let's create a script. And then on this scripts, oh, actually, let's put this on our third party. Yes, there we go. Oh, okay, reload assembly. Alright, good. And then let's create an assembly here as well. Let's create assembly here as well. Oh, there we go. This is gonna be a third party. Noise. Yosh. Yeah. All right. Okay. Anyway, let's create folder here. Call it health system. And then on the health system, we're gonna create a assembly definition. Health system. Oh, okay. And then on the health system, we're gonna make a test. And then on the Windows, I think we need to install a Unity registry test framework. Unity test framework. It's already there. Nice. Well, I don't think I need anything. Yeah. Anyway, okay, how do you make test? I go. Mm, component. Visual scripting. AI. Analysis. Sequencing. General. Oh, there you go. Test runner. On the test runner, we have a edit mode and play mode. We have health system. Wait, how do you do test? ちょっと待って。test.dll 何 test.dll だとtesting test assembly folder tests yeah, sure. I'm gonna delete that, and then I'm gonna create a test folder here. Test create test assembly folder, say test, and then on this test we're gonna open it, and we're gonna try we're gonna add this to our test health system, I think. Yep. Oh, apply. Yeah, apply that shit. Pepperoni. Oh, auto reference. No. Alright, anyway, なんでだ script health system third party なんで thinking, can we remove this? Just remove this. I don't think we need that, to be honest. And yeah, it's not working. Tests. No. Feels bad. Oh. Hi. Creep. And we're gonna name this in as let's see, test health damage. Okay. All right. Run selected. Okay. Everything uncategorized. How do you categorize it? And then we're gonna open this folder. Trust and open. All right. This is how you do the test-driven development. Shout out to Inflation Code. I'm sorry if I said your name wrong, but let me search you. Inflaffable code something. Okay. I'm just gonna test TDD Unity. There you go. Infallible. So hard to say your name, bro.
Hey there, this is Charles Amott.
Infallible code. Dude, so hard to say your name. What the fuck? Anyway, thanks to him. Shout out to him.
Hey there, Charles here, and
Charles, shout out to you. Thank you for this wonderful content. I learned a lot, even though I only watched 3 of your videos. Sometimes it makes me sleep though. Anyway, yeah. Test behave an ordinary method. Use test to assert yada yada yada, and then yeah, unit test. Okay, play mode. Okay, I see. Anyway, we're gonna do the thing here. Yosh. Okay. Test health damage simple passes. I would say set. This is test health damage, right? Yeah, sure. Set damage health to 10. Okay, let's try that. And before we do that, we're gonna make a class here. Public, probably it's hard to see. Let's zoom in. Public class health. Just health, to be honest. Just health. Public class health. Public int health. And then on that health, we're gonna say public public void took damage, take damage, help that take damage, int damage. Okay. So on the constructor, we're gonna set. Let's make a constructor here, and default constructor factory. Oh my goodness! What the fuck happened to my? What the fuck happened to my and int health. And where's my health here? Damn it. I don't know. All right. This health is equals to health. All right. And then when you took damage, health minus equals to damage. Yosh. And then on the test, we're gonna say that health is equals to new health. Let's say 100. And then we're gonna say health that take damage of 10. And then we're gonna assert equal again equals health is equals to 90. Damage is 10 damage should be 10 damage receive to health. Okay. And yosh. Let's try this test. Run all. One or more child test has an error. System invalid operation exception. Equal should not be used for assertion. Hey, equals? Nande? Are equals. Are equal. Expected, actual. Oh, should be 90 and then health. Health dot health. Okay. All right, let's run this. Oh, success. Ooh, I love that. Dang, that's good. That's good. That's good. So basically we don't do the actually damage calculator here. So it's only for health. So minus or plus, I don't care. On health, we have a take damage. Should probably have I damageable, and then you can just use that, right? Anyway. Should health could take damage. I think should we probably have interface I damageable, so the health could take damage, and then depends on which damage calculator. Yeah. Probably do that interface, because at some point you want some calculate the damage, and depending on the defense of the thing and whatnot. Yeah. I don't know. Maybe. Oh, I take that as it is for now. And I would probably rename this. Reduce health. Take damage 90. I think take damage good should be good. And also public void add health. Additional add additional health. Additional add additional health. Add health. What's the best name to do this? Actually, let's write more test here on take damage. Let's say that we don't want negative. Public void 10 damage receive to 100 health point 200 health point. So we're gonna say health is equals new health 0 health that take damage to 10, and then assert as equals to not negative but 0. Expected 0. And then if we run this, it's failed. Expected 0 but negative 0. Yeah. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna add a if statement. No, not here, but here. Yeah. Here, let's say this one's gonna be a take damage. What I'm gonna do? If all right. Let's do this, but here, if health is less than 0, we're gonna say health is equals to 0. Okay, I think that one should be good. Run. Nani? Nani? Nande? Unit test batch mode. Alright, how do you... Okay, how do you play this? Alright, success. Nice. All our code is success. Good. We would also want a... I think it would be better if we have a scriptable object here. I'm not sure how you're gonna implement a scriptable object on the editor mode. Let's actually Google that. Test how to use scriptable objects in C# class. Can you use it though? Scriptable object for testing. Wait, we do. Actually, I removed it. But damn. Can you open the other project that's using it? I think 1 hour using it. Let's take a look if we could actually try to take the scriptable object, create an instance of it. Perhaps we could probably do something about it, and probably not at the moment. On the obvious soap. Okay, this is the game that I made within 1 hour yesterday. Scriptable variable test. Alright, let's actually take a look at this. New window. Alright, how do you do this? Okay, create an instance. There you go. Tear down. Object, destroy immediately. Int variable. I see. Soka. Sokayo. Int variable on change plus minus event count plus plus on value change int variable. Interesting. 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 Let's actually re-import that. Re-import our soap. My assets here. Soap versus soap. There you go. Import. I don't need the test. I don't need documentation. No. Yeah. Change lag. I don't need that. Example, I don't need just the core. Yeah. CPU so core runtime. Yep. Yosh. Script. Now on our health system, we have a public. Let's make it private. Int bar. I don't think we have it. ちょっと待って。Test. I don't think we have the obvious soap here. And obvious editor, perhaps. Okay, apply. Apply that. All right. We have private int variable. I'm just gonna say this as. Actually, we're gonna put it here. So instead of health, we're just gonna say int variable health, and then on here we're saying int that value is equals to health, and yeah, and this that health that previous value. No. Yeah. And this that health value. Yeah. There you go. Equals to new. Actually, we're gonna create an instance here, like the one they did on here. Scriptable object that create instance int variable. So let's just say make this null, and health is equals to health int variable. This dot health. There we go. This dot health is equals to scriptable object that create instance that let's actually make a public health here instead of making it here. Let's make it here. Health is equals to null, and health that health that how I'm gonna say this. Health that health value. Health that value. This one's weird. I don't know what I'm gonna name here. Health point that value. Health point. Set up. Set up. What did it say here? Public void setup. Okay. Health is equals to scriptable object. Here. Oh, new health. Is equals to null. Health is equals to new health. And I don't think we need this anymore. But actually we kind of need that int variable. Health point is equals to health. Scriptable create instance that. Yeah, something like that. And then tear down. Probably need to tear down this. Public void. Tear down. Public void. Tear down. What is it? They said here. Object that destroy immediately. Health that health point. Okay. All right. So, at the moment, we don't have any values here for the health point. Health point that add load save on value change. That value, let's say this one is gonna be 100. No, I'm talking about here. Let's say the value is 100 and yada yada yada. And on here, let's say the value is 0. Yada yada yada. All right, let's actually test that. And then tear down. Yeah. Run all. Should be good. Right? Takes too long to test. Why? Nan desu ka? Why is it taking too long to test? Nande? Something wrong? Oh, I just need to reload. Okay, I see. Assembly definition is undefined. Eh? Is that so? Can we stop the test? Can I clear this? Can I run? No. Um. Is it possible? Oh, dang. Ah, I see. Health point dot value. Dot value. Yosh. Let's actually test it here. Run all. Oh, success. There you go. Ooh, success dayo. Success na to. How do you make a category on the test? Oh no, the category. Oh, we already have a notification. Yeah. Someone followed me. Oh, already, eh? Mm-hmm. Ooh. Already. Nice. Nice. Oh, support indie devs. That's right. Support indie devs, please. Do you have any signal list? Remember our promise. Okay, signal list. I actually like this. I mean, I like the art, but I don't know if I'm gonna buy it. Humble Games. What is Signalis? Signalis. Oh, it's just a game. Oh, damn, that's pretty cool. Bang, that's pretty good. It's actually a pretty nice game. Submit a game. Why publish with Humble Games? Since 2010, Humble Games has forged a path for indie developers to share their projects, passion, and voices with the world. I wonder how many cat do they submit your game using form below. If we think your game could be a fit, we generally get back to what's the benefit. Community advance. Oh, they have advanced funding. Making great games takes time, and waiting for the payoff can be tough. That's why we give you funding upfront so you can feel more stable and secure while finishing your game. Your own IP. Ooh, dang. Multi-platform publish. Oh, I'm gonna creator, calling all streamers, YouTubers, and more. Offer content creator a variety of perks, rewards, opportunities, and behind the scene information. Whether you Played one Humble Games published title. Humble Rewards. Humble Bundle. I wonder what they have at the moment. Halloween sales. Oh, nice. Let's see. Halloween sales 33%, 20%, 50% on Hollow Nights. Okay. Oh, I wonder if my game's here. My house is haunted. No, it's not. Feels bad. Anyway. Ooh, Unreal and Bundle. Eh, nothing much. Oh yeah, I already brought this. It's pretty good. Not too bad. Learn IT ops. Machine learning. I kind of wanna dip into machine learning, but hey, haiku. Oh, anyway, let's get started. Let's get to work. Let's get to work. So our health system has a 3 items so far. So we have a taking negatives here. It's pretty good. And let's say this is for taking damage, right? Yeah, this is for taking damage. Okay. Um let's see. Yeah. Um so we have health and then test health damage. How about test health damage? Test adding and subtract. This is subtracting damage, right? This is subtract. Heal. Test heal. Test health heal. How about that? Can we just extend the thing here? Public class. Test. Test health damage. I think it's wise to create a new class. How do you categorize here? Unity unit test how to categorize. Categorize. There you go. Over here. Long running. Batch mode. Oh yeah, there we go. Category. Okay. Alright. Test script. Test health heal. Alright. On our test heal and then test health. Test heal and test health. Scripts and test. There you go. Test heal. Almost gonna do the same thing, but I think we should probably categorize. How do you categorize it? Test health damage. Test health damage. I guess. Run selected. Okay. Okay. I don't think we need this though, to be honest. But I'll just leave this just cause. I think it's best to end the stream. YouTube is failing me here, but yeah. So far, made the test while also making a health here. It is pretty. How should I say this? Huh. It is pretty. Actually, sorry. There's something even better than doing this, like, health. That health point that on value change. Wait, how do they do it? On value change plus equals event account. HP int HP on value change plus equals value HP is equals to value. So we're just gonna say HP here, I guess. P is equals to 0. Nice. Same thing here. I guess it's kind of repetitive. What else? After taking the damage on value change. Okay. Let's try that. Alright. It's all success. Ego is not even. So it's -1. Let's actually test this. Okay. Nice. Okay. Cool, cool, cool. For here. On heal. Same thing here on heal. What do you mean? I think we're just using the same code here. I feel like just one test would be enough. Hey? Yeah? Let's rename this. So instead of that one, test health for everything. Eh? It's good, right? Test health. Either this one is add or some shit, or yeah, some shit. And then we just kind of categorize it, you know. Test health damage. Test health heal. Over here. And then for the HP, I think it would be a good idea. We're just gonna say private in HP. And then you're just not gonna do this. Yeah. Yeah. Let's start. Run all. I go. Nande? Ah. Okay, cool. Run all. Nice. Cool, cool, cool. Oops. Public void heal 10. So we have a heal as well. Increment HP, right? Recover HP or increment? Well, increment max HP, and then recover HP. So we have those two things. Take damage. Public void increment max HP, max health point, int additional health. So health point plus equals to additional health. Oh, health point dot value. Public void recover health point int amount health point dot value plus equals to amount. Should be good. Heal 10 health point, and then test health heal. Yosh. All right. Same thing here. We're gonna say our health value is equals to 10, and the on change value is actually can we make this as a private void? On value change on health value change int value HP is equals to value let's actually take a look on the health 1R. Assign to null. Does not draw. Yeah, whatever. What you mean? I think I should just probably add a something here. Anyway, as you can see, test-driven development is pretty slow, but yeah, it's pretty robust, I would say. It's pretty good. Anyway, I think I'm gonna end the stream today. And yeah, thank you for coming, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye bye.